Hey all, welcome back. Today we're going to look at the symmetry tool, which you can use to mirror multiple, rotate mirror, add multiple perspectives or angles of symmetry. You can move the point at which the symmetry happens. You can really do everything from that nice little button that they have that you can move around the screen. But what I'm going to use it for is painting a portrait, because our faces are pretty symmetrical as we know. So I thought, why not try to use it to simplify my workflow a little bit? See how it works. Well, it works pretty well, as you can see. It makes the whole job very, very easy. Half the work for twice the fun here. So I just wanted to show you guys this little tool because it's pretty great. And even though I drew the eyes a little bit far apart, I can use the transform tool to adjust the width of the eyes. So very, very cool stuff here. You can see how the symmetry tool, the transformation tool all work together. Here I'm going to add a new layer and put some skin tone in. Using a custom brush dot setting, I can add symmetry again. So I just put the freckles down on one side of the face and they go to both sides of the face. Artrage has had a symmetry tool included for a long, long time, and you can tell because it works incredibly well. It's really versatile, it's really powerful, and it's good for a lot more than you'd think it'd be useful for. I don't really use tools like this very much when I draw, but I was just playing around with it the other day and I thought, wow, this is actually really great. And it was so good that I thought maybe I should share it with you. So I'm just doing this little drawing with you just to show you how powerful these basic tools are, tools that I never even think about using, and how they can be good for more than just line drawing, how you can use them for your shading and texture and everything else. Here I'm going to use the warp tool to make a little asymmetry by merging first my layers and then go into the warp, give her a little bit of a smirk, squish one of the eyes down a little bit, and bulge out one of the cheeks, bulge out her lips a little bit. There's pinch and bloat and warp and grab. The warp tool is really awesome. So here we're just playing with the warp tool, the symmetry tool, and the transformation tool, all to take a really basic drawing and style it up with very, very little effort. Here I'm just using an overlay layer to add a little color and shadow without having to do any repainting, and again just use the custom brush presets for all the texture. Here at the very end though, I've turned off all the modifiers, all the symmetry, all the mirroring, all the layers, and I'm just drawing in a little extra detail to make it feel a little bit more organic. As you know, our faces are mostly symmetrical, but probably not perfectly symmetrical in almost all of our cases, and so having a little bit of variety to each side is going to make it a little more interesting to look at. So just wanted to show you these quick tools and show you how useful they can be for drawing a face. You could use them for drawing patterns, textures, tessellations, anything you could imagine, but I just use it today for a portrait. Thanks for checking it out. Have a good one. Thanks for checking out the video. This is the kind of stuff I really like to do. You can find more of it on my YouTube, my Instagram, and my Twitch channel by searching Mambo Bond or Daniel Ibanez. Thank you so much, and take care.